Got the 275 over, leading the squad. Yeah, another good day on the lanes. We did get a first round bye, which is nice, but we're looking to win. Actually, I do want to address the Jesse stuff. I don't regret posting the video. I regret Alright, boys and girls, we're back here in Windsor, California for our 5th regional of the season. We won last one, so if you guys didn't see that, check it out. We're bowling on the Bear, 41 feet, practice session. I brought 9 balls. More or less all the same ones from last time, but I brought the Ion Pro Solid this time. The brand new Ember that we threw at the Lucy. That ball's nice. I like that one a lot. Smooth, controllable, clean. It's almost like the Typhoon before I get to the Typhoon. Alright, let's check out how the lanes are playing. Again, probably lots of hook. We're trying to convert the world.
Just to show you that not anybody can just pick up a ball two-handedly.
It's not easy.
It's not easy.
It's not easy.
And
you're probably gonna split the 8-9.
I almost hurt my back.
How's it feel to be back?
Feels good.
You ready?
Absolutely not.
How many times have you bowled this year?
Like 3 or 4, maybe.
All right, and this is the beginning of August.
This is the beginning of August.
All right, so when you finish in the top 12,
yeah,
we'll revisit.
We will revisit.
All right, we got some balls here. This one's probably not in play again. This one's probably not in play again. Oh no, it was in play last time. But we got the mega early lane surface, so we're gonna throw the mega clean balls. Ember, yes. Red ball probably to start, just to control the pocket. Ion Pro Solid actually looked pretty good. Typhoon, we all know that's coming out at the end of the box, so. We don't bowl until 6:30 tomorrow night. Again, got Pro-Am, gonna go bowl that. 7 games tomorrow. Cut to the top 12, top 4 get a first round bye, so that's what we're shooting for. Do we wanna qualify first? Of course, but if we qualify 4th, I'm not gonna complain. So that's the goal, top 4 tomorrow. Just keep the head down, stay in the process, and do what we do. So let me know if you guys wanna see some Pro-Am action in the comment section down below. If not, I'm gonna keep cutting it here, and then we'll resume for qualifying. All right, so here's the situation. It's really late. We went to go play some blackjack. There's a casino nearby. Yeah, of course we get wrecked at the table, but we're staying in a really expensive area. Windsor's pretty expensive. We get to the Airbnb. There's a car in the driveway. Their Nest is flashing. Go to plug in the code. I'm not actually sure if the code unlocked the door or if the door was already unlocked, but we go in the house. Seemed like a family was living there still. There were Legos plastered over a table. We checked the rooms. I mean, one of the rooms seemed Airbnb-ish, but there was a kid's room with a bunk bed, and it looked like it was still, like, it didn't look like it was made for an Airbnb. And the car looked like it was unlocked in the driveway. It was 100% unlocked. I mean, we didn't open the car, but, you know, they checked and it was unlocked. Kind of freaked us out. There was also a room that was locked. Yeah, we just didn't feel very good about staying there. Sorry, Mom and Dad. I mean, my mom booked it, and now we're at this hotel, and we're about to pay $250 for a night. Don't know where the rest of the day is gonna take us, but we'll find out. All right, it's a brand new day. We're checking into a new hotel after the hotel we were in yesterday, because we, for whatever reason, only booked 1 night over there. So now we're even closer to the bowling center. We're right next door, so that's great. The update on the B&B situation, the owner got back to me, and long story short, they're on vacation, and they didn't really clean up the house in a way that made it feel like an Airbnb. Nothing suspicious, I guess, but we got our money back, so that's nice, so shout out to them. Yeah, going to the bowl, I gotta pee, and then we'll get to it. gonna keep it short and sweet because it's 11:34. We just finished bowling. I've got the 275 over, leading the squad. Needed the first hit in the 10th to stay around PJ, or to stay ahead of PJ. He bowled 288 and I bowled 267. Man, it got kind of gross at the end. I mean, we were bowling really good. I think I had 747 the last 3. I got to do my move left and throw the magic typhoon ball. But yeah, another good day on the lanes. I missed 1 spare. I had a stretch in the middle that was a little rough. I think I had 200, 210. Those games didn't kill us, but we do want to figure that out for tomorrow because after the urethane ball, we got to have an option. And I'm thinking maybe reality if we want to stay a little bit further right. My ball was just getting super crossed up in those middle games. I don't know if we're even going to get to the typhoon because it's bracket play. We did get a first round bye, which is nice, so we're guaranteed the top 8, but we're looking to win. So we got a best of 5 match against whoever we're matched up with in the bracket, and then it's a best of 3, and then it's a 1-game match for the tie. Gonna get some rest. Yeah, I threw red ball, a little bit of ember, a little bit of marble pearl, my new red ball spare ball, and typhoon. Did all the work at the end. Check out TV Bowling Supply if you guys want a typhoon because that ball is, yeah, I've liked it since the first day I drilled it. Still love it. So, see you in the morning. I need to find some food. What a weekend so far. All right, it's time for the bracket match play finals. It's a beautiful day. Definitely not in Vegas right now. I feel good. We're guaranteed a top 8. We're gonna go find out who we're bowling against soon. And yeah, let's get loose and give ourselves an opportunity. That's all we can do in this game is give ourselves the best opportunity possible. Let's get it. Alright, well I guess I didn't give a recap for Windsor, or I forgot, or the clip got lost. Yeah, to wrap it all up, Windsor was a pretty solid event. We led qualifying, we got the #1 seed, pins dropped. The top 4 got a first round bye. The top 12 made bracket match play. I lost my first match to Ronnie Fujita. He bowled really well the first game. We both had some approach issues on the left lane. I slipped, my foot came out from under me, and then I worked my shoe out, and then I stuck, and then I stuck again, and then I looked up at the scoreboard and he had spare 5-bagger and I had 40 in the 4th. I pretty much punched out for 220. He bowled 250. yeah, that one was kind of a tough one. And then I took a risk. I tried to jump in to find a little more ball reaction. They threw the 78U the first game, and it looked okay. Judging by it being a best of 3, I probably could have got away with throwing it again. But the next game was a low scoring match. Yeah, bracket format, not my favorite, especially when it's only single elimination and only best of 3. Yeah, it's tough because it's kind of a coin flip at that point. And then, of course, I had the approach issues, so it's kind of a me problem. And it was like a battle of attrition, you know, whoever can outlast their opponent through the struggles, and Ronnie did just that. Top 8 finish, another good week. I don't know what's next. Working a couple clinics. I'm actually about to leave for the first clinic following Windsor. If you guys made it this far, actually I do want to address the Jesse stuff real quick. I don't regret posting the video. I regret letting my feelings for him dictate how much I said about him, what I said about him. Yeah, my goal was to inform people that we were parting ways, and why. I guess it's the why part that wasn't very well executed, but you know, there's a reason things got to where they did, and yeah, he posted a video defending himself, rightfully so. If only you guys knew the entire story. But I'm gonna leave it at that. You know, what's out there is what's out there. I'm not gonna add any more to it. This is the last I'm gonna talk about it, so yeah, it's just, you know, it's a learning experience. I'm gonna learn from this. Shout out to everybody that's been supportive. You know, if you know, you know. But if you don't, obviously the internet's gonna dictate how you think about the situation, which is very unfortunate. But hey, you live and learn, making the best of it, and we'll come out stronger because of it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.